Welcome back to creating a product. You are now going to be within the licensing area. What you're going to need to do is to select the kind of license that you're going to give your customer. Now, in most cases, you're going to give your customer personal use of the files and content that they will be receiving. And you'll notice then that WarriorPlus will spell out what personal use means. If you need to write additional terms to your customer, you're going to want to write them in here, and they'll need to agree to those terms during the checkout. Now, in some cases, you may be giving your customer the rights to use what you are selling them. If that's the case, you're going to click on Extended Rights. And you're going to choose all of the rights that apply to the extension that you're giving to your customer, in addition to writing in additional terms. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to turn off extended and we're going to turn on personal use. You're then going to want to write in the refund period. And this is going to be the length of time in days that a customer has to apply for a refund. So if you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, you're going to write in 30. That stands for 30 days. You're then going to want to write in the terms and conditions for the customer, as well as specifics for the refund. You are then going to have two options for your support details. You can either write in an email for your customers to email you in support, or you can write in the support URL. If you put in a support URL, it will override the support email that you place here. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to write in a support URL. Now, you're going to notice that your sale notifications in this case are turned on, but you control this within your profile area. And if you go back to your profile area, you're going to go to your notification settings. And you will indicate what email address your sales notifications will be sent to. You can also choose to have your sales notifications turned off altogether. Now, at any time during the creation and selling of your product, you can determine your product status. Now, when you're first starting to sell your product, you're likely going to have your product turned on and available for sale. But you can also make that product unavailable if you don't want the product to sell. We're going to leave this on the default. You're then going to have two disclosures for your product. One is going to be for ownership. And you're going to see that WarriorPlus is going to require that you state whether or not you're going to be considered the original creator and exclusive owner of the product, or if you have a license to distribute. Once you make the declaration, you'll also need to certify that you have the right to sell the product. We're going to stop the video here and we're going to pick it up from the pricing section. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.